Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of finance, but not in the way you might think. We're not talking stocks, real estate, or even crypto. Today, we're talking about the future of how you access your money, cloud banking. Now I know what you're thinking. Graham, cloud banking? Sounds boring, but trust me on this one. This isn't just some tech jargon, it's a complete game changer. We're talking about a fundamental shift in how banks operate, and believe me, this stuff is going to impact all of us. So whether you're a tech enthusiast or just someone who wants to stay ahead of the curve, stick around. We're breaking down the top 10 reasons why cloud banking is not just a trend, but the future of finance. You don't want to miss this. First up, let's talk about something we can all appreciate: saving money. See, traditional banks, they're like that friend who still pays for cable. Stuck in the old ways. They're pouring money into expensive buildings, hardware, and a whole bunch of IT guys you only see when the internet crashes. Cloud banking flips the script. It's like going from your overpriced gym membership to working out at home, way more efficient. Cloud services are all about that pay-as-you-go lifestyle. Banks only shell out for what they actually use. No more massive server rooms gathering dust. Think of it like your electricity bill. You only pay for the power you consume, right? Same idea here. This means banks can scale up or down as needed, kind of like adjusting your thermostat. It's all about that sweet optimization, folks. And the best part? No more massive maintenance headaches. Cloud providers handle all the tech upkeep, so banks can actually focus on, banking. This all translates into lower operating costs, which ideally should mean better rates and lower fees for you and me. Now let's talk about the big one: security. I know what you're thinking. Putting my money in the cloud sounds risky. But hold on a second. Cloud banking isn't some dude storing your life savings on a Dropbox account. We're talking about next-level security here, people. Imagine Fort Knox, but for your finances. Cloud providers invest heavily in the latest and greatest security measures. We're talking encryption that would make a hacker's head spin, firewalls that could stop a tank, and 24/7 monitoring that puts even the most vigilant security guard to shame. These guys have teams of cybersecurity experts who eat, sleep, and breathe digital security. It's like having a digital bodyguard for your money, constantly on the lookout for any suspicious activity. And don't even get me started on the regulations. Cloud providers have to meet incredibly strict compliance standards. We're talking government-level stuff here. So, rest assured, your money is probably safer in the cloud than it is under your mattress. Remember the days of rushing to the bank before closing time? Standing in line, waiting for that one teller who seemed to be moving in slow motion? Yeah, those days are about as relevant as a flip phone. Cloud banking is all about that 24/7 access, baby. Imagine this. It's 3 a.m., you're craving a late-night snack, and you realize you need to transfer some funds to your checking account. No problem. With cloud banking, you can manage your money anytime, anywhere, all from your phone. Need to pay a bill while you're on vacation in Bali? Go for it. Want to check your balance while you're waiting in line for that roller coaster? Done. Cloud banking puts you in the driver's seat, giving you complete control over your finances on your own terms. And it's not just convenient for us customers. Cloud banking lets bank employees work remotely, which means shorter wait times and faster service. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. All right, imagine this. You're a bank during the holiday season. Everyone's out there shopping up a storm, swiping their cards like there's no tomorrow. Your systems are overloaded, transactions are slowing down, and customers are getting frustrated. Not a good look, right? This is where cloud banking really flexes its muscles. It's like having a super-powered elastic band for your finances. Banks can instantly scale up their resources to handle those massive spikes in activity. No sweat, no more system crashes, no more long wait times. Just smooth sailing, even during the busiest times. And the best part is, once the rush is over, they can scale right back down, only paying for what they need. It's like renting a Ferrari for the weekend. You get the power and performance when you need it, without the hefty price tag of ownership. This kind of flexibility is what gives cloud banking a serious edge over traditional banks. Now, this is where things get really exciting. Cloud banking isn't just about improving what we already have, it's about opening up a whole new world of possibilities. Think of it like the App Store, but for financial services. Because cloud banking is all about open platforms and easy integration, It allows banks to collaborate with all sorts of cool fintech companies and developers. This means we can expect to see a ton of innovative new financial products and services popping up all the time. Imagine personalized financial advice delivered straight to your phone, AI-powered budgeting tools that actually work, or investment platforms that make even Warren Buffett jealous. The possibilities are pretty much endless. Cloud banking is like that friend who's always down to try something new, always pushing the boundaries. It's this spirit of innovation that's going to revolutionize the way we bank and manage our money in the years to come. Alright, let's be real. Nobody likes waiting around, especially when it comes to our money. Remember when you had to wait like a week for a bank transfer to go through? Talk about frustrating. Cloud banking is all about speed. It's like the Usain Bolt of the financial world. Because everything is digital and streamlined, banks can deploy new applications and services at lightning speed. We're talking about going from idea to launch in a matter of days or even hours, instead of the months or even years it takes with traditional banking systems. This means you get access to the latest and greatest financial tools and features way faster. This rapid deployment also allows banks to respond to market changes and customer needs in real time. It's like having your finger on the pulse of the financial world, always adapting and evolving to stay ahead of the curve. And that's a beautiful thing. Okay, let's talk about the what-ifs in life. What if your computer crashes and burns, taking all your financial records with it? What if there's a natural disaster and your bank's physical branches, well, no longer there? Scary stuff, right? Cloud banking is like having a financial bunker for your money. Cloud providers have these super secure data centers spread out across multiple locations. It's like having copies of your most important documents stored in different fireproof safes. This means that even if one data center goes down, your data is still safe and accessible from another location. It's like having a financial safety net, ensuring that you can always access your money, no matter what life throws your way. And let's be real, peace of mind is priceless. Knowing that your finances are secure and accessible, no matter what, is a huge weight off your shoulders. Now let's get a little nerdy for a second. Cloud banking is a data goldmine. We're talking about massive amounts of information about spending habits, investment trends, and all sorts of financial patterns. It's like having a team of analysts crunching numbers 24/7, looking for ways to optimize your finances. But here's the thing, data is useless unless you can actually understand it. That's where cloud banking's secret weapon comes in: advanced data analytics. These tools can sift through mountains of data and pull out valuable insights that you can actually use. Imagine getting personalized financial advice based on your actual spending habits, or identifying investment opportunities tailored to your risk tolerance. It's like having a financial advisor in your pocket, constantly analyzing your finances and helping you make smarter decisions. Talk about a game changer. Now let's talk about the not-so-fun part: regulations. The financial industry is full of rules and regulations, and for good reason. They're there to protect consumers and ensure that everyone's playing by the book. But keeping up with all these regulations can be a real headache for banks, especially with the constantly evolving landscape of data privacy and security. This is where cloud banking really shines. Cloud providers are like compliance ninjas. They live and breathe this stuff, making sure that their platforms and services meet all the latest regulatory requirements. This means that banks can focus on what they do best, serving their customers. And for us, it means peace of mind, knowing that our money is being handled by institutions that are playing by the rules. All right, let's talk about something that's important to all of us: the environment. Traditional banks, with their massive data centers and energy-hungry infrastructure, they're not exactly known for being eco-friendly. Cloud banking, on the other hand, is like the Tesla of finance: sleek, efficient, and way better for the planet. Cloud providers are investing heavily in renewable energy and sustainable practices to power their data centers. By moving to the cloud, banks can significantly reduce their carbon footprint. It's like switching from a gas-guzzling SUV to a fuel-efficient hybrid. Every little bit helps, right? So, not only is cloud banking good for your wallet and your peace of mind, but it's also good for the planet. And that's something we can all feel good about. And there you have it, folks. The top 10 reasons why cloud banking is not just a trend, it's the future of finance. We're talking increased security, lower costs, and a whole lot more convenience. This is banking on your terms, people. So, what are you waiting for? Next time you're at the bank, probably waiting in line, let's be real, ask them about their cloud banking options. Get ahead of the curve and see what it's all about. As always, make sure you're subscribed for more videos on how to level up your financial game. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content. And until next time, stay savvy, my friends.